Hi, this is Master Jason and welcome to Mathematics for Young Achievers with Mervit Education Center. In this video, we're going to take a look on how to compare fractions. Are you ready? Let's get started! To compare two or more fractions, we use the following symbols. First, we have greater than. Next, less than. Next, we have equal to. We compare fractions with like denominators, like numerators, and different numerators and denominators. Let's start comparing fractions with like denominators. Ready? Which fraction is greater? 5/6 or 3/6? Do you have any idea how to compare these two fractions? Good job! These two fractions have a common denominator, 6. If two positive fractions have the same denominator, the larger the numerator, the greater the value. In this case, 5 is larger than 3. Therefore, 5/6 is greater than 3/6. Did you get it? Good job! Let's learn another one. Here's another example. Which fraction is greater? -8/24 or -9/24? Which do you think is greater? Always remember, if two negative fractions have the same denominator, the smaller the numerator, the greater the value. 8 is smaller than 9. Therefore, -8/24 is greater than -9/24. Next, this time we will compare fractions with like numerators. Which fraction is greater if we have 5/6 and 5/7? These fractions have the same numerator, and that's 5. If two positive fractions have the same numerator, the smaller the denominator, the greater the value. In this case, 6 is smaller than 7. Therefore, 5/6 is greater than 5/7. Did you get it? Excellent! Let's learn another one. Here's another example. Which fraction is greater? If we have -5/21 and -5/17. Which do you think is the answer? Always remember, if two negative fractions have the same numerator, the smaller the denominator, the greater the value. Denominator 17 is smaller than denominator 21. Therefore, -5/17 is greater than -5/21. Next, How about if we will compare different numerator and denominator? Which fraction is greater? 3 over 5 or 2 over 4? In this example, the numerator and denominator are not the same. So what can we do? The best way to compare unlike fraction is by making their denominator the same. To do that, we take the LCM of the two denominator as their common denominator. The LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So we multiply the first fraction by 4, the second fraction by 5. So we have 12 over 20 and 10 over 20. If two positive fractions have the same denominator, the larger the numerator, the greater the value. In this case, 12 is greater than 10. Therefore, 12 over 20 is greater than 10 over 20. Did you get it? Excellent! Alright, that's all for this video. Happy learning, students! See you next time!